Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1971 and 72 Chevelle, El Camino, and Monte Carlo heater and air condition control assemblies by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Designed for vehicles equipped with air conditioning, our heater and AC control assembly units will help restore your dash face and your climate control features back to factory specifications. Each control assembly comes pre-assembled with the dial plate, mounting brackets, chrome selector knob, and back housing to operate the climate. The dial plate is made from injection molded plastic and is properly labeled just like the originals. The chrome selector knobs are made from die-cast zinc finished with chrome plating. They come attached to the control levers to operate and adjust the cabin temperature. In addition, the mounting brackets come pre-drilled, so it's ready for installation upon arrival. We've used this very assembly on our 1972 El Camino SS, and several years later, it still performs flawlessly. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.